Tired of data chaos and endless email chains? Let's ditch the data silos and learn how to seamlessly upload your Google Sheets to Basecamp, keeping your team connected and projects organized. First, make sure you have the Google Sheet you want to share open in Google Sheets. This is the data we'll be integrating into Basecamp. Now, head over to your Basecamp project and locate the Docs and Files section. This is where we'll store and access our Google Sheet. Click the New button. This will reveal a drop-down menu with different options for adding files. Here, you have to choose as you can either upload a file if you want to upload a copy of the sheet directly to Basecamp, or link to an external file if you want to keep the sheet in Google Sheets and just provide a link for easy access. If you choose Upload a File, select your Google Sheet from your computer. Basecamp will then upload a copy of the file, making it accessible to your team within the project. If you choose Link to an external file, simply paste the shareable link of your Google Sheet into the provided field. Make sure you give the link a descriptive title so everyone knows what it is. And that's it. Your Google Sheet is now accessible within your Basecamp project. Team members can now easily view, download, or, if linked, directly add it to Sheet, keeping everyone on the same page. By integrating Google Sheets into Basecamp, you've just streamlined your workflow, improved team collaboration, and kept all your project-related data in one easily accessible place.